Cheryl Traxler from Alaska, and I wanted to show you my income proof video. And actually I've got it on my phone, so I'm doing this so you can see real proof of my income, and you can be inspired, encouraged, and know that anybody, any newbie can do this and have income too and create that new income stream. So here is my back office where my account is. You can see my name, Cheryl Traxler, right there, my Stripe account. So I'm going to go to the payments and enlarge it so you can see them. All right, there's my payments, and I'm just going to scroll up a bit so you can see my regular payments that I've gotten paid consistently since middle of 2020, really starting in June, yeah. So here you can see all my payments, 23 payments. That's just the front page. There's obviously more here, but I just wanted you to see my payments, and this is my account. And scroll over, and here's my name. See, now I'm lost. I'm going the wrong way. Here, let's do it. Here we go. Cheryl Traxler. There I am. So that is my Stripe account. That's where I made the money, and I showed you all the income that I've had, and you could see 23 payments, and what a difference that has made in my life to have that many and to have it being consistent in 2020. In the middle was a crazy time for everybody, and that's really what birthed this model, this business model, was during that time. It was put together by a 7-figure earner that wanted to help people, that wanted to have something everybody could earn, a platform that worked well for everyone. And you know, when does that happen? When does anybody care that much to put something like this together? That's what I love, that it has been a blessing to me and so many others on the team that have taken this business model and joined and been a part of it and have enjoyed being able to earn income. I mean, it's that simple. How many people need an extra income or income period, right, during this time? So, you know, back in 2020, beginning of 2020, I was completely broke. Honestly, no money in my bank. I was just really struggling and looking, and I was fast forward to 2021. Now I've made over 10K, and now we're in a new year. I'm not broke. I've made over 10K starting out in January now, having earned this consistent income in 2020, and I'm just pumped for the new year now. All kinds of incredible things I know are going to happen because of this, and that is huge for me and anyone that needs it, because it is newbie friendly. You can do this, you can plug in, and the information that you are learning is teaching you a skill set that you can use for life. You can always earn income, and it is such a blessing. But the crazy thing is that it doesn't matter if you know anything or whatever. You're going to learn the skill, but you're not going to have to wait 6 months to a year before you become an expert and actually know it so well that you can, you know, it's not going to work that way. What happens is, because you're doing that and you're learning, the system's put together in a way that you can earn while you're learning that skill set, which I think is amazing. The habits you're learning are the habits that are part of the skill set that will teach you how to earn this income all the time. I mean, 24/7, and I think that's amazing in this world. It is amazing, and I'm just so thankful. You know, anybody can do it because it's put together. You don't sell any, you don't have to sell. It's a digital educational service. Digital education is what you get to teach you how to do this, and it is the best thing I ever took. The best thing I ever did, as far as earning, as far as people earning, other people on the team. I mean, we're just crushing it. We really are. I'm now on the elite team. Now, I'm a granny with 7 grandkids. You know, I'm not a spring chicken, but I'm telling you, this isn't hard. You just have to apply yourself and be consistent. Now, that word works no matter what you're doing, right? If you're not consistent, you're not going to have any results, or nothing's going to happen, whatever you're trying to do, because that's key, to be consistent. So I just really wanted to share this information to others because it is so extraordinary and so wonderful. And you could go to the bottom of my description and just go to my link. Go to my link at the bottom of my description and get more information and go over. You will see it is pretty incredible. And anyone can do this. They just need to be consistent and be able to do the info that they need to do, you know, to create this skill set as a habit for themselves. It's not hard stuff they do. And the selling and all of that is built in, really, because we have all that put in place that you don't have to worry about it, which is such a amazing stress reliever for anybody that starts the business. The first thing they think about and worry about and basically focus on is getting sales. You don't have to do that with this one because it is put together in such a way that you actually can get the skill set under your belt, learn it all you need to, and consistently earn. As you can see in my Stripe account, I consistently earn, and that's the key. If you can do that, it really inspires and encourages you. Keep going, right? You're just so thrilled and happy that you're earning regularly and you're able to go each step and earn and be part of this supportive group. It's just an amazing journey that I'm just so glad. I almost didn't do it, and you know how you are. And, you know, I'm so thankful I did, so I just had to get on here and tell you. So you know, check it out. Don't pass over this. Not at all. You want to check it out. Be a blessing for you and your family. And I appreciate you getting on and watching and listening to what it's been a privilege and honor for me to do. And I'm thankful for your time, and go to the description. Don't forget. So bye from Alaska. Thanks for joining me today.